little bit of a bounce back today after last week's drawdown. We'll go over the trades in a minute. We are adding SR CounterTrend Silver to our trading arsenal. List of strategies, you can see that here under Automated Trading Systems. If you go to SR CounterTrend, gold is the one you're familiar with and has been on a winning streak since September. And we're adding a more aggressive version of silver because it has a higher daily dollar range. And you can see the opportunities here in silver. I have the performance report here for TradeStation. And we're adding this to the $100,000 portfolio for the second quarter. So you see the trades. It trades a lot more frequently because I made it intentionally set it up that way. And 802 trades starting on, we set the date to 12/5/2006, which is the first day of electronic trading intraday for the precious metals. But the first trade doesn't show up till February the 27th, 2007. So we have over 10 years of data, and the largest drawdown is right here at the very beginning. And since about that time frame, there's about $7,000 or $8,000 worst case drawdown. I would allow for a larger account. Silver can move, and we have a bigger stop loss on this, $1,200 stop loss, $900 profit target. We basically increased the SR CounterTrend Gold stop loss and profit targets by 50%. And you see the NinjaTrader 7 results here, very similar. The first trade, we set the date back to February the 1st, 2006, just to set it up in the data. But the first trade is not till 7/25/2007, so a little bit later, about 5 months later than the TradeStation first trade that shows up based on what data is available. And the worst case drawdown you see is only 6,900. So that first drawdown was the largest, and since then it's been lower. And NinjaTrader 8, similar performance, 69.25, 143, 550 total net profit. And here is the equity curve once again. Having some problems with multi-charts connecting to the data feed, so I don't have the performance report for that yet in multi-charts, but it should be similar to TradeStation since I am using TradeStation data and the easy language is the same. So that's the precious metals. Take a look at the strategies today. The bounce back here's for reference, here's SR CounterTrend Gold and what it did last week. It doesn't typically trade 3 times, but last week it traded 3 times. No trades so far today. Here are the strategies trading today with the bounce back. We have tick pulse. It's actually down 150. We got short at that gap down. It's hard to do, but we follow the strategy. We reversed it alongside, and we're down 162.50 on the day. And so we're looking for this market to continue higher, or if it reverses, tick pulse could get short again. So anything can happen with tick pulse. It's a fast strategy. Down 162.50 on the day, intraday. Exhaust in reverse. Caught this move last night. Stayed with the trade. Hit the profit target this morning. Got back on a slight pullback, and so we're long on this strategy as well. And the market is up, so it's bouncing back. I would. These profit targets are in this range at the previous day's close, so we'll see if the market will give us that previous day's close. It's rallied back this far. We'll see if the bears jump in and pounce, or if the bulls keep moving it higher, as this market is always entertaining and always tricky to know for sure exactly what it's going to do. Still, the trend is up overall in the market, even with this recent pullback, and even with a downtrend. You get choppiness, and exhaust in reverse works well with choppiness, even in bear markets. I anticipate this chop to favor this system. So EV2 gold got short, got out after an hour, minus 95 on that. So our exhaust in reverse has us showing some overall profits on the 100K portfolio today. And tick pulse, we're just waiting for tick pulse to kick in and go in the right direction sooner rather than later. So looking for higher prices in the E-mini S&P. So that's the update for today. That's the update on the precious metals, and I'll have updates out later this week on the 100K and $1 million portfolios.